Okay, good.
Got a plate on this thing?
I do, but I didn't get it registered.
You didn't get it registered?
No, because I just got out since the winter, right? So.
Alright, pull over there for a minute.
Okay, thank you.
You got your paperwork on you today? Insurance?
Maybe, I think. Yeah, I was slack since winter, right? Sorry about that. Let's see if I can find my wallet. What do you need?
Insurance. Do you have the registration papers for it?
I don't think I got them on me. That's the insurance card. I don't know if it's still.
This is 2023 Maverick, is it?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's still good till August.
So yeah, I typically keep it registered. Winter, I just haven't really drove it maybe once since summer.
Okay. Yeah. All right. What's your name, sir?
Mike Kroll.
Mike Kroll?
Yeah. You need my ID or something?
Yeah. Just let me see that for a minute.
That's my old one, I think.
Where's home for you, Mike?
Shelburne. That's my old one. I got a Nova Scotia license somewhere.
Yeah.
Just not seeming to find it.
For not registration is $410. You don't want one of those.
I do not.
So what I'm going to do today, have you been stopped before? Be honest with me.
I haven't. Only like not like this.
Okay.
I was on a run before up in the valley.
Yeah.
And they just checked. And
have you ever been
and I was
warned or
good
ticketed?
No.
Not for anything off-highway vehicle?
No.
Okay.
But yeah, it was just a check. They checked my registration, no drinking, have a good day.
What's your civic address?
Shelburne.
Okay, I'm going to put it in as a verbal warning today, okay?
I appreciate that.
So it will go in our system, so if you get stopped again and someone wants to make a fuss about it, it could be $410. It's a lot cheaper.
I appreciate it.
Okay?
I am a bit of a procrastinator, but I will get to the DMV.
All right, man.
Have a good day.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thanks. Be safe pulling into these guys.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. This is my kind of shit. I love this.
They call me a god.